Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making my moist, soft and delicious pumpkin bread. To begin, we are greasing 2 loaf pans with butter. Make sure to get the corners and the sides. Then we are lightly coating with all-purpose flour. Make sure to spread out the flour evenly. Throw away any excess flour. Then, in a large mixing bowl, sift 2 cups of all-purpose flour, followed by 2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground cloves, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now sift to eliminate any lumps. Whisk until evenly incorporated. Set the dry ingredients aside. In another mixing bowl, add in a 15-ounce can of pure pumpkin, 3 large eggs, and 1 cup of vegetable oil. Whisk until thoroughly combined. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now combine the wet and dry ingredients. Mix until the flour has just incorporated. Now pour into the prepared loaf pans. Bake at 350 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. And if everything goes according to plan, your pumpkin bread should look like this. A toothpick inserted in the center should come out clean. Let them cool off in the pans for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, transfer into a wire rack and let them cool off completely. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, pumpkin bread. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching.